This is the Skyrover Swift. Sold at Walmart for $30. The only thing I don't like about it is it's very slow moving forward. And it's affected a lot by air movement around itself. So here it is. It's not too bad for $30, but go ahead and pay $60 and get a better deal. Here's all the features it says it comes with. Now, one thing I noticed taking it out of the box is this. It's almost like it's all plasticky. Very, very light, but I don't know. Super cheap feeling. I guess that's what you get for paying $30 for an RC helicopter. Yeah, the only problem with it is it moves forward very, very slowly. See if I can show you guys again. That's as fast as it goes, so I mean. It's not the fastest thing, but for $30, I'd say it'd be an okay gift.